Okay, everybody. So for this one, I decided that really you don't need to see me. We just need to see the work for this. So what we're going to do is you and I are going to work out a couple of surface area problems for rectangular prisms. Now, first thing that we want to do is for our surface area, we're going to need to match up these numbers over here because we've got this rectangle and this rectangle, the front and the back. Then we have the sides, and then we have the top and the bottom. So the great thing is it doesn't matter which way I match them up. So what I'm going to do to start with is I'm going to do a formula. So 2 length times width plus 2 length times height plus 2 width times height. And the reason I'm going to put all those 2's on there is because there's 2 of every rectangle. Again, there's a front and a back, top and a bottom, and the 2 sides. So how I match up those numbers, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these 2 numbers. Okay? So I'm going to do 2 times 3 times 2. Okay, I got those taken care of. Now I'm going to do these 2 numbers. So 2 times 4 plus, and then think about it, what are the only 2 numbers that I haven't matched up? The 3 and the 4. So 2, 3 times 4. We'll crack it on here. So next I have 2 times 6 plus 2 times 8 plus 2 times 12. Change my color. So that means that finally our surface area is going to be 12 plus 16 plus 24. Which, if I put those all together, my grand total is going to be 52 centimeters squared. Remember, anything with area is always squared. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go on to this one. And we're going to do the same formula. So surface area, 2 length and width, 2 length and height, 2 width and height. Now the most important thing is that we need to match up these numbers with everybody. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to match up this and this. So that means 2 times 9 times 6 plus, now I'm going to match up this and this, 2 times 108 plus the last 2 I need to match up the 12 and the 6, 2, 6, and 12. Okay, now I put it all together. So this is going to be 2 times 54 plus 2 times 108. Oh, okay, I like the way I did that. Sorry, got ahead of myself. And then the last one is 2 and 72. So that means our surface area equals 108 plus 216 plus 144. Okay. And that means if we add all these up, we have a grand total of 468 8b squared. Okay, so the important thing is just to remember to match up your numbers. Just go really, really slow. Definitely use your calculator.